So I wanted to try to fly as similar a path as possible between both modes so that we can get a feel for where the areas are going to break up. But see in the picture here that got some pretty good amount of trees between me and the quad itself. But yeah, as you can see, it's flyable, pretty similar to rapid fire performance. Um, but I feel it's definitely a good performing product. I'm gonna do a second lap here just so that you can get a better feel for the path. Now I'm going to switch over to low quality mode here. Pretty surprised at how degraded the quality is. It's almost, I want to say it's lesser quality than a standard analog signal. But here, as you see, as I elevate, increase my altitude to get some more trees in between my path, my line of sight, it's completely unflyable here. I almost crashed the quad at this point. So at this point, I basically wrote this off and have concluded that this is not as penetrable as the HQ mode, despite theoretically having a lower bandwidth and lower quality mode.